Hi everyone, welcome to Government. To start off this course, make sure you print off the PACE chart. So if you click on PACE chart, it will open the PACE chart for this semester. So there's no e-session this week because courses are starting on Wednesday. I lay out what you need to do on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday here for you. So anything in red on the PACE chart are assignments that are graded. Anything in purple are formative and they are not part of your grade. So if you notice, all the chapter quizzes are formative. The only catch though to some of these assignments, like week 3 adaptive release, they are formative, but you need to do them prior to being able to get to your summative assignment, which is your graded assignment. So make sure you print off the PACE chart so that you're staying on pace all semester and you know which assignments are formative and which assignments are summative. So the green type tells you where to find the assignments. The purple tells you if they're formative. The blue tells you when our e-sessions are. Make sure you're either attending the live e-sessions or watching the recordings. I give answers to our assignments and I help guide you through the assignments in the recordings or in the live sessions. Some important dates to remember are May 11th, so week 15 is the last day to request to redo an assignment. All the assignments in red in this course must be at APP or higher in order to pass the course. So make sure if any assignments are incomplete or at NEE that you request to redo them prior to May 11th. And then the last date to submit any of those assignments that you're redoing or any of your work from weeks 1 through 17 is May 25th. So May 11th is for redos, May 25th is for all work from week 1 through 17, and all of these assignments in red are required. So they all need to be in by May 25th. By June 1st, your final exam is due. The final exam is also required to pass the class, and you must have an APP or higher on the final to pass the class. So what you're looking for in order to be successful in government is for all 4 learning targets, writing, reading, content, and communication, you must have an APP or higher. So that means all assignments in red must be at APP or higher to pass those targets, and you must submit your final, and it must be at APP or higher to pass a course. So in order to keep track of that, I have a Track My Grade sheet located under Track My Grade. If you click here, it will make you make a copy of the document so you can write right on it. I break down all those dates I just explained, and I break down each of your assignments and which targets they fall underneath. I give you a spot so that you can write down what score you got on the assignment. So it helps you to see where you're trending for each of the targets. So make sure you're keeping track of this target or writing down your scores, because then you can kind of figure out where you're trending towards for each of the targets, and you can use this grid to try to figure out where you are going to be at the end of the semester. So the 2 most important things to print out are the PACE chart and that Track My Grade sheet. In order to find the lessons, click on the Lesson tab. The week 1 assignments are under Getting Started. Otherwise, the rest of your lessons are right here in each of the units. So if you click on the Getting Started tab, it explains your assignments for the week. Remember, all assignments, as stated in the directions, must be submitted as a document or a PDF. This is because they are ran through SafeAssign. SafeAssign compares your work to online resources and students who have previously taken the class and gives a percentage of how closely they match. So all assignments in government must be submitted as PDFs or documents. So if you do it as a Google document, all you have to do is simply go up to the top, click File, Download as a PDF, and then you will submit it to Blackboard. So in order to submit an assignment, you just click on the assignment, you click right here where it says Browse My Computer, and you find that PDF then that you submitted. If you ever have any questions, I'm always available to be contacted through email, or I do have here my phone number that I can be contacted at. In order to see what's graded and not graded, if you click on My Grades, it has your learning targets, and then it also has all of your assignments here. It will tell you what your grade is for each one of those assignments. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me. Your textbook is available right here as well, and as you can see, I have PDF copies. If the website is not working, you can utilize the PDF copies of the textbook as well. Thank you and good luck with government.